As deep as you were, I couldn't tell.
My first time here, you weren't. It was when Bull ran.
Yeah.
And Stefan, like, someone armed Stefan, and he was like in the middle of pulling his arm back, and someone armed him, and he let it go at the same time.
That's the weird thing, like, they're allowed to manage so defensively.
Well, this is the only safe way to do it.
But then he comes around and he's like, no, that.
Yeah, that. You're a fantasy game, but it's not.
What?
There's no magic. Yeah, no magic. No, when you have magic, you don't have magic.
Hey, tell what you're code, Mario.
What?
Code.
How?
Oh,
It's not like your phone.
What?
your phone.
Oh, you want to see it?
No.
Let me take a picture. What?
Come here.
Okay, are you going to do this? Yes.
Take a funny picture of me.
You.
Yeah, you're level, no.
Okay.
See, your level, no.
Yes, at her level, I'm doing this. At her point skill, this is bad.
Oh, for the shield kick?
Yeah.
You basically punch my foot with the shield.
No, for you right now, that's bad. Eventually, I don't mind that. That's not good. I'm going to put your coffee behind you. I don't even listen. I want to give him the basket because you sat in so far. If you swing it, my back is way open, but I stepped in so far. You get me just shot. I'm like all the way to the back. Right now. You got to be sure you can. You go to intermediate. You don't just go and sing and go down the double black iron. You don't go down the double black iron in the first round. Unless you're him, and then you end up with broken limbs. Got a broken limb!
You got a broken leg.
That's right. I was saying that.
Oh, your leg, and then your leg sounds like gratitude for some reason to me. And then you said leg, so I know they make fun of it, but I don't know what about.
I went to the street and she's actually going all the way down.
Something's not like hard.
Not this year.
Wait, that's fine.
It smells good.
She's not falling drag knuckles.
It's that fine.
Yeah, this legs, but then it's yeah, she tore her ACL.
My boss has a good boss.
You
She
should.
took me out for a whole week. She came back and said, with a freaking price, and she's like, what's going on? Like, we saw what you did. Not tore her ACL. You think that I didn't tell the teacher that she.
Nice.
But I don't know what that care was. That's just a shock. I don't think it's very strong.
Yeah, I said just next time I tell you.
Did you fix it? Did you fix it well?
gonna get a patient on his foot shield. You know that?
I mean, the patient there will make him make a mistake. Remember? You know, when you're in that leg position, it's defense. Don't act, react. Make him make a mistake.
Oh, Mitch, look at us. Is that good? You look kind of gassed.
Huh?
You look kind of gassed.
This is where we serve.
Huh?
On the back of the eye, just blasted. Good thing you were in bigger size. I didn't so much of a whip.
Like, right?
She said, right?
You caught it. That's fine.
It hit the mechanism of, oh, we're off the map. It'll take a second for that to sink or go away. Just when you get hit there, it's sick. When you're caught,
It didn't even stink. It was like when you get grabbed too much.
yeah.
It was like that. There's no sting. No
Yeah, it's the off button. Just like your head has the right kind of off button, every fucking one has an off button. They're really minute, so they very rarely get hit. But when they do, you fucking know it. I've gotten that. There's one on the back of the elbow. If you get hit hard with it,
You gotta be that.
you get hurt, hit hard with it enough, you can like
I'll snipe guys' arm when they load.
Yeah.
No load, throw a shot, I'll snipe.
Yeah, but occasionally he was.
I throw it up into it sometimes.
They just look like this, and I'm like, this is wrong. He's like, I can't really learn. I'm like, I can't even move my hand right now. It's sitting down like this.
Yeah, I got hit there hard when you ran in, and it turned into the highest I could put on a single season. I couldn't play. Yeah, it was going with my shoulder. It is like actually this.
A Kuragana is like, what's the advance? He hit me with an advance like back there. I literally. That's it.
Yeah, it's good. I'm done with that.
What was that?
That just happened.
I was done for probably 10 or 15 minutes. Put my hand up and run on.
We just reflow the blood. Yeah, I saw it. Question is, you gonna go through with it?
It's hard to tell. Man. He ain't done it yet.
We keep saying he's gonna get. He said, where is he gonna go? Yeah, he's got something right from
Some shop around too.
That's gonna be the trick of it. You never had this one?
Yeah, that's it.
She's got everybody around it. She's just about as low as he is.
Yeah.
That's, he is.
I'm sure he's not pulled that.
Every once in a while, the one day when Johnny brought his two kids, Stephen brought his nephew, and yeah, but I thought it out.
My niece and nephew haven't been out when you guys are out. Yeah, I've been out.
I've seen you run once. I think that.
My niece and nephew.
I think that.
Man.
I don't really got that.
It helps when my niece and nephew is leave on the shoulder like this. I made him just like angle. So like, back that stuff. Yeah, I mean, that would make the shoulder go like that. I can't do still let her already.
See, the way that it's balanced though, I'm literally working away at this thing with this wrist bone.
Pretty good.
So doing that right now.
Hey, having the same problem. That's why I'm doing numbers, because I'm doing.
That's what I was explaining to her about how, like with the Zods and them, kind of like what you have, but I didn't fit the hand.
Yeah.
You put this in so it figures. Well, his is actually a lot looser, that's why it's out there. But once, but this one's not fitting for your size.
Yeah, no, when you do that, hand part, it's directly to your hand. Luckily, it looks like you made because if you notice on, that's the difficult part, because those are screws. We can't hold it back in. Yeah. See? And that's on that side. So if you undo it, if this strip, I can strap it out close. They strap it. Yeah. And then puts the phone behind it too. To tighten the gap between the shield and the hand. And honestly, I size, you're just gonna. He said, because some plastic is fucking red.
It's a vibrate.
Yeah, it's like that too. Yeah, if you notice, these happens in the hand, the wrist, and the heel.
Yeah, but I don't know how thick it is. It's not that heavy. It's actually pretty heavy.
It's not the weight. It's not the weight, it's the weight. You know how it is. Hold that weight, you have to hold weight, so you're going to check time.
Yeah, so we're again.
You just can't do it, no matter how strong.
And that's why I wonder what this one does show. You have a person come in. Where does it feel good on mine? Where does it? Because if you notice mine, like everybody else, they go their diagonal this way.
Yeah, like a tree.
Mine sure across like the rest of my big fat guy.
Yeah.